Today I'm in the Albany Park neighborhood in the 3600 block of West Montrose in a very nice, newer construction, 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom apartment. This is the living room, that's the front door there. It has higher ceilings, I'll show you in a minute, compared to the cabinets, so you can just see how much room's on top of the doors that you'd normally have. So it's probably 9-foot ceilings. So looking back across, this is the living room. Nice gas fireplace. There's room above it for a TV with the cable connections and everything. Espresso cabinets, and these cabinets are 42 inches high. So normally these cabinets would be all the way to the ceiling. So it kind of gives you a feel of the height of the ceiling. Granite countertops, stone countertops, stainless steel pools. There's a dishwasher. There's a garbage disposal. Side-by-side refrigerator. And then modern lighting, looking back across at the living room, a really nice big breakfast bar. Refrigerator has indoor water and ice. It's a nice thing about this unit, it's on 2 levels. It's not a duplex, it's on 2 levels though, probably about 7 steps down. When I get down here to the bottom, I'll show you what I'm talking about. It gives you a lot more room of spaciousness. There's the in-unit washer and dryer. Then there's the steps going back up to the living room. Just gives you a little, I wouldn't say classier, but just a different feeling than other units you're going to be in with the stairs and the different things. Nice ceiling fan here. Really large window. This is the 2nd bedroom. This bedroom will hold a queen size bed. Nice big closets over there. Nice dark flooring. And going down the hallway, this is the common bathroom. It's a tub and shower combination. It's nice and tall. Ceilings toggle all the way to the ceiling. There's modern lighting. And again, because of the higher ceilings, you have room for big lights and mirrors. Nice modern vanity. From here, this is the back door. It goes down to parking. There's garage parking available for rent. Just confirm that when you look at the place. There's a patio on the back here. Nice big patio. This is the primary bedroom with the ensuite bathroom. It will easily hold a king-size bed, no problem at all. Really nice walk-in closet here. And then beside it, this is another closet, but I think it's probably more of a linen closet. They've got it set up as a closet because it's right next to the bathroom. The bathroom again has the modern vanity that you see in the other one, but it's a double vanity this time. It's hanging off the wall. It's really nice. You have a separate tub and shower combination here. There's the tub. Looking back across at the double vanity. And then here you have, it's a really big nice shower. It's got the rainforest type shower head and then the handheld shower nozzle. We'll walk back through the place to give you one more look at it. Central heated and air conditioning, gas forced heat. One more look at the living room. Really nice open floor plan.